This is Irene and welcome back to Yooeating. Kalguksu is one of my favorite Korean dishes. It's a Korean noodle soup. It features wheat flour noodles that are rolled out and cut by hand with a knife. There's a lot of different varieties. The most popular ones are anchovy broth and chicken. When Nick was sick, I wanted to make Kalguksu for him. And I wanted to put in all the things that were really good for when you have a cold, like garlic, tons of ginger, and that good chicken essence. And then in addition to that, I added cilantro and lime at the end to really brighten everything up and hopefully cure what was ailing him. Basically, this chicken kalguksu is sort of my take on a really, really good chicken noodle soup. We liked it so much that we decided to make it one of the dishes for our first pop-up. Obviously, every culture has its own chicken noodle soup. The classic American one features those noodles that tend to get really soggy. In this version, since we're making the noodles by hand and cooking them separately, they stay really nice and chewy and delicious in the soup. Perfecto. Rolling. Ah.
Part where you fumble with the garlic for 10 minutes?
Yes, it is.
Can't make that of it.
most exciting thing you've ever watched?
It's better than the garlic skin.
All set. You can spend all of our money gambling, and then I'll open a Kalguksu house to pay off your debts. You win?
Sounds good to me.
Look.
Great.
We did it! This is our chicken kalguksu with handmade noodles and super garlicky, gingery chicken and a smattering of gribenes on top. And I'm really excited to eat. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. This one is for Nick! Happy eating! Here's some lime, some kimchi. This one's for me. Mm. Yummy. Thank you for watching.